अच्छा, एक राइट इन्वेस्टर का आना कितना ज्यादा जरूरी है? लाइक अभी स्टार्टअप जितने भी होते हैं ना, उनको बस ये चाहिए होता है यार किसी तरीके से फंडिंग मिल जाए, है ना, लेकिन किससे फंडिंग मिल रही है वो इतना ज्यादा नहीं देखते उस चीज को। तो एक एकदम राइट इन्वेस्टर का आना कितना ज्यादा मैटर करता है एक स्टार्टअप में?
I would say that is the most critical part right now. We at India Accelerator don't promote, we would not want to have a passive investor.
Okay.
We would want to have an active investor, जो with the co-founder or with the founders can take up the startup to a next level through his own connects. As I have said, this is a mentorship driven technology seed accelerator company. So when I say mentorship driven is, I would want either the mentor to be an investor, or of course we give the seed investment keeping in mind कि हमारे पास ये particular startup का mentor है. Mentor can give his competency and can also give the can either connect or become a self investor there. So I would want, this is the most critical thing, क्योंकि if they're just students out of an engineering college, there is a lot of grooming which we have to make them entrepreneurs. How? Each and every money spent, so if we're giving them X amount of money, that X amount of money has a runway. We would want कि वो जो runway है, that break even comes in the first, second, third month itself, so that they have a buffer of the full 6 or 9 months. If we are anticipating that that runway is for 12 months right now. That is the whole reason initially when we pick up a startup, we give them services in tune of 15 lakh rupees, and we don't take anything for them. So co-working, compliance, technology architects, making them meet to industry thought leaders, giving them mentors, mentor hours milte hain unko, deep dives with us, they are participating in events, founders lunches. This is a part of the India Accelerator model. So as you said, it is the most critical thing right now. Investor fitment with the startup founder. Likewise, the founder and the product fitment with the investor is very, very, very critical.